My name is Viraj Gandhi. I'm the athletics director for Unity Concord International School. Good luck in all your games, and let's see who wins the tournament.
What school are you representing today?
Unity Concord International School.
Ambassador Bilingual Academy.
Prem. Concord International School.
We're both here from Concordian International School.
We're from Chiang Rai International School.
Yeah, MIS, Myanmar International School.
Were there any moments in particular that you felt was motivational or inspiring for the team?
Honestly, when someone scores, we all try to bring up the spirit.
Our goalie, Pim, who's a new goalie, she made some really good saves in our first game, and I feel like that motivated my entire team.
What do you think of this event so far?
Well, I think it's gone amazing.
So far, we're playing good.
It's been really fun playing, even though I've only had one game. I feel like the atmosphere is really fun and exciting.
Very professional.
I thought the tournament was amazing and it was really well done.
My name is Miss Ampon. Everyone knows me as the founder of the AEG group. Everyone is putting their best in this event. I really like it. Today we are really creating such a good event together so that we are bringing everyone into the same field and really have the spirit of playing and sportsmanship. I'm very proud of everyone.
I'm the founder and the co-director of this tournament.
What are your thoughts on the event so far today?
It's been wonderful. Unity has been a wonderful host. The facilities are fantastic, and everyone's been very gracious to all the schools, all the teams.
I think that this tournament has inspired us to be better as a team.
Were there any moments that you felt was particularly motivational or inspiring for your team?
When we beat Prem 3-0.
Really happy with the team and everything we accomplished.
We did a great job, and everyone did their part, and we deserve, I think, a first place.
Let's go, thank you so much.
3, 2, 1.